Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a review on these tea lights. It is 24 of them in the box. I ordered these from Amazon. Of course, you guys know I am totally obsessed with Amazon right now. So I've been ordering a lot of stuff. I got these because I like to do a lot of crafts for the holidays. Last year I did a DIY kind of candle thing using tea lights that I got from Dollar Tree, but this was pretty inexpensive, so I ordered 24 of these and they are already lit. So since it's Halloween, I thought maybe we can use these to put inside our pumpkins. So I have Autumn's pumpkin here that she carved herself the other day. Her video will be up on her channel. Check that out. The link is in the description. I don't know if she cleaned it out really good, but I'm going to try to put one in here and see what it looks like just for the review. So hopefully I can get it in there without it turning. So let's just move it around a little bit. There we go. So it looks good. And it has a little flicker to it too, which makes it pretty awesome. I'm sure in the dark it will look a lot better than this. So one other thing that I'm going to try to use it in is little decorative glass that I did a couple of years ago. I'm going to put one in here. I normally keep this in my hallway. So that looks pretty nice. So these are so great, guys, for crafts or like pumpkins right now. Since it's Halloween, this is really cute. You don't have to worry about putting a real candle in here and have to worry about it burning up or anything like that. So that is pretty awesome, and I like the fact that they come already lit. So you guys will be seeing these tea lights again for some holiday tutorials that I will be doing. Sorry, I'm a little off today, guys, but yeah, I think these lights are pretty good and they have my seal of approval. So like I said before, the link will be in the description to these tea lights. They're pretty inexpensive for 24 of them. They have a little flicker to them, which I really like. It comes in a box of 24. You can use them for any type of craft or just around the house. Put them outside to add to your Halloween decorations. So these are really great. I know the video is short today, guys, but I got a lot going on, and so I just wanted to do a review because I will be using these lights later on in the weeks coming up, and I wanted you to learn about them first. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up so I know what kind of videos you like. Also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure you turn your bell notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a video. And if you are not new and you subscribe and you don't get updates, make sure you have your notification bell turned on. I know a lot of people are not getting notifications. I don't get a lot of notifications for people that I turn notifications on for, so that's something with YouTube you may need to discuss. But other than that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.